Hi guys, in this step-by-step video tutorial I will show you how to integrate Contact Form 7 and GetResponse. So for example, for this website, if we'll go to Contact Us, there is a form, and in here there will be like a checkbox, sign up for our newsletter. So let's do that. So first of all, we need to go to GetResponse. So let's create new list. Let's call it newsletter Carmania. Create. Okay, that's done. Let's go back to, let's log into WordPress. So in here we need to go to plugins because we need to install new plugin. So click add new, search for GetResponse. So this is the one we need to install and activate. GetResponse for WordPress by GetResponse. Install, activate, and right now, as you can see, there is a new plugin here, GetResponse. So first of all, we need to activate the GetResponse with the WordPress. So we need to place here API key. So we need to generate the API key. So let's go back to GetResponse menu, integrations and API. Go to API and generate API key. Let's call it again the same, Carmania. Create or generate. And right now we need to copy this key. So copy, and we need to go back to GetResponse, place API key and connect. So we are connected and we want to add contacts. So in here, when we'll scroll down, we'll find add contacts via Contact Form 7. Add subscribers from Contact Form 7 to a GetResponse list when they opt into your list. Enabled, we need to select the list. So we created new list called Newsletter Carmania and save changes. So right now we need to just copy this piece of code. And one more important thing, make sure that the name of the field email looks like this one. So let's go back to Contact Form 7, edit our form, and right now we need to copy and paste that piece of code in here and save. We need to paste that code over the submit button. So right now let's go back to our form. Let's refresh the page. And right now, as you can see, we have new checkbox here, sign up for our newsletter. Okay, let's test it. So right now people will be able to sign up for newsletter if they will check this box. Send. Thank you for your message. It has been sent. Okay, right now let's check our list. So right now we have 0 contacts in our list. let's refresh the page. And right now, as you can see, we have first email in our email list. That's everything. Thank you for watching. Bye.